What's up? Welcome back to JIC's Hints and Tips. My name is Teacher Jer and I am an IB teacher of JIC. Today's topic is how to improve our listening skills. Listening is one of the most important parts in learning English because all of us need to understand and be understood. So I have 3 things that I can share you on how to improve our listening skills. First, if we are talking to our friends, family, or to our teachers, or to someone else, we must always relax and be attentive to the gist or keywords of what they are talking about. Second, if you can find someone you can talk to, we can always listen to an audiobook while reading, or watch movies with subtitles on, or listen to music while reading the lyrics. Because in that way, it allows us to be familiar with the proper articulation and grade of words, and also with the proper grammar. Plus, it helps us to learn new vocabularies and expressions and spelling as well. Lastly, ask questions, because asking a question is not a sign of weakness. Rather, it only means that we are listening attentively to clarify or to know more details. And that's it for today's JIC's Hints and Tips. My name is JR. Till next time, bye!